control who you welcome into your home like never before. August installs on the inside of your door and makes your smartphone a smart key, and more. August automatically unlocks your door as you approach, so no more fumbling for keys. And it locks automatically when you leave. With the August Smart Lock, give guests like dog walkers, delivery people, or friends and family virtual keys with access for a few days, a few hours, or even just specific times. Never leave keys under the mat or in fake rocks again. The August Smart Lock allows you to let in who you want, when you want, and get instant notifications when anyone comes and goes from your home using the August app, so you know your loved ones are home safe. And you can even keep track of guests with a 24/7 activity log right on your smartphone. With August Smart Lock, send virtual keys to guests and never copy a key again. Give guests access for a few days, a few hours, or specific times. Always know who comes and goes with a 24/7 activity log. And stop fumbling for keys. August Smart Lock automatically locks and unlocks your door. The August Smart Lock is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.
How can door hardware make everyday life easier? What if it were simple to install, saving you time and money? Or replaced spare keys with an app? What if you never had to worry whether your kids remembered to lock the door on their way out? Everyday life gets easier thanks to the cutting-edge technology of the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt. Offered in a variety of styles and finishes to complement any decor, the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt installs easily with just a screwdriver, while providing the highest residential security rating. Once installed, the deadbolt pairs easily with your smartphone to provide a variety of access options using a secure connection. Now your smartphone is your key. Our free app makes your Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt easy to set up, manage, and use every day. And if you're away from home and need to lock or unlock your door, Schlage offers a variety of ways to control your smart deadbolt from anywhere. For households that include Android and Apple users, the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter provides easy access to your deadbolt via the Schlage Sense app. You can also pair the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt with a home automation system. Find all of the integration possibilities at schlage.com/sense. At Schlage, we create innovative door hardware that makes everyday life easier.
For a snack.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's going to be a great game today.
In trouble.
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install. And I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive, but you can open your door without it, like this. Or like this. Sesame senses when my phone is nearby and gets ready for my special knock. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame.